Welcome to this video on the evolution and economy of the Israeli new shekel, a numismatic and historical journey. The name new shekel is a combination of the Hebrew words shekel and chadash, meaning new. Its ISO code is ILS, and it is abbreviated as NIS, with 100 agorot making up 1 shekel. The shekel has ancient roots. The word asterisk, AQL, means to weigh. Ancient Israelis used the shekel as a standard weight, equivalent to 11 grams of silver. Israel's currency lineage began with the Palestine pound from 1948 to 1952. This was followed by the Israeli pound or lira until 1980, when the old shekel was introduced. The old shekel era, from 1980 to 1985, was marked by a hyperinflation crisis. The currency collapsed on foreign exchange markets, and prices changed daily, requiring radical government intervention. The 1985 Economic Stabilization Plan led to the rebirth of the currency. The Bank of Israel slashed 3 zeros, establishing the conversion rate of 1,000 old shekels to 1 new shekel, which launched in 1986. The current circulation includes 6 denominations of coins: the 10 agorot, 1/2, 1, 2, 5, and 10 new shekels. They feature a variety of metal compositions, from bronze to bimetallic. The 10 NIS coin is bimetallic. Its iconography features a palm tree with 7 leaves and 2 baskets of dates. The typography includes "For the Redemption of Zion" in ancient and modern Hebrew. The banknote evolution began with Series A, which reused the designs of the hyperinflated old shekel. Series B introduced new security standards, including a polymer 20 shekel note in 2008. Series C, the Poets, introduced in 2014, features 4 poets and unique Israeli flora. All notes feature poetry microprinting to defeat counterfeiters. The new shekel benefits from global partnerships for minting and security. Switzerland's Aurel Fussli prints the secure banknotes, while South Korea's KOMSCO mints the physical coins. The new shekel achieved economic maturity by becoming a freely convertible currency in 2003. This was followed by derivative trading on the CME and international payment settlement. Looking at global exchange markets, the shekel strengthened significantly against the USD between 2001 and 2011, reflecting economic resilience. Recent volatility is influenced by geopolitical events. The new shekel, unlike the hyperinflated non-convertible old shekel, is a stabilized, freely convertible currency with low inflation, reflecting strong public trust and global standing. From ancient silver weights to modern polymer notes, the new Israeli shekel is a symbol of economic resilience and national identity.